Hello guys, so good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are watching this video. So on this particular one, I just opened this PayPal account newly, and it's got some issues, some limitations. So I want to teach you how to upload your national identity, your card detail, because after I open the account, they say we want to confirm that the information in your PayPal account is accurate, as we notice some suspicious activities in your account. To understand this better, we need more information from you. You will need to provide the requested information to regain full access. Mostly now, if you open a new PayPal account, you have this issue, and let me show you the limitations on the account as now. So as for now, these are limitation. Let me come back. They are not taking me back, but these are some limitations I found inside the account. So as you can see, these are all the limitations. Pay using PayPal. I can't send out the money, I can't receive money, I can't withdraw money, I can't add money to PayPal account, I can't add a bank card. All these things I can't do it because of the limitation. I cannot even close this account down now. I can only refund money to customer, update it. Funny enough, the account that has not even received any money, how can I? So all these things, when you get all this message, all you need to do is to upload your ID, any ID you choose when you are doing registration. So in this case, I'm gonna be uploading my national identity because I chose and I put in my national identity number. So in this case, I'm going to upload the national identity to prove that I am the real owner of the account, so that they will lift the limitation on the account. So right now, you click on resolve. Before you click anything here, you click on national identity, or if you use passport or driver's license, when you will open an account, you choose that one or any one you have to prove that. So in this case, that is why I am advising anybody, whenever you want to open a PayPal account, try use your own detail. Otherwise, if you are using it for any fraud. I'm not sure of what I uploaded. Let me go back. Let me be very sure that yes, I upload accurate information. So after that, you click on documents type again. See, then you click on submit. Allow it to load. So after it's loaded, you say your information. It say your information has been submitted. Go to account limitation. So say we are reviewing your information, and we will get back to you regarding the status of IDVP within 5 days. So I'm gonna be waiting for them. I will wait for them for their reply. They say 5 business days, and this is on Monday. I uploaded this on Monday, 22 November 2021. So I'm gonna be waiting for their reply within these 5 business days as they promised. So this is how you lift the limitation on the account. Whenever you got a limitation and they ask you to upload your identity, so this is how you are going to do it. Very simple. Just snap any cards, any identity you are using or you used to register or you have available. Just snap it inside your phone, and you come here, you follow the process and upload it. Then you wait for 5 business days for them to verify it or review your identity. So that is how it works. I hope you gain value from this video. If you gain value from this video, please like and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this help my YouTube channel algorithm, and to help it's helped me in terms of YouTube to rank my videos. So please help me subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment. I want to hear anything from you, good or bad. Tell me, how am I going to improve myself, and how am I going to improve my YouTube channel, and the kind of contents you will like me to do a video And I'm very, very happy to have you come here today. Thank you very much.